from the Agnes Varus NJTV studio at 2 Gateway Center in Newark, this is NJTV News.
There's a lot of legal smoke New Jersey businesses are trying to clear away as they deal with marijuana in the workplace.
Even before the legislature takes final steps to legalize marijuana, it's having an impact on the workplace. HR departments grappling with conflicting civil laws and internal company policies. Senior correspondent Brenda Flanagan talked to people on the front lines.
It puts me in a significantly bad spot, and as well as for everybody, we work with.
She's a CEO with 17 employees at a company with a zero-tolerance policy for drugs, including marijuana. Businesses are scrambling with medical marijuana use already legal in New Jersey and a recreational use bill reportedly on track, according to the governor.
And I think it is sooner than later. I think the Senate president said something in the vein of trying to bring it to a vote on October 29. So that'll be later this month.
We have extreme concerns, and there is no protocol and there's no set policies on what the guidance is. And because with marijuana use, it affects the brain, there's no proper test or screening if someone is or isn't under the influence, especially for employees. So how do you monitor that? What do you look for?
Business execs also wonder about random company drug screenings to detect marijuana use.
Our policy is that we're allowed to drug screen you. And if it's legal, then we have other issues with that about what would be the amount that's allowable, because it does stay in their system for up to 30 days.
CEOs brought those questions to a panel today at Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital, Somerset. One answer:
in New Jersey, there's no protection for employees. In fact, employers don't have to make an accommodation for employees in the workplace with regard to medical marijuana.
So someone could be terminated?
Sure.
Attorney John Kutner with Weber Gallagher and specializes in marijuana law. He says companies need to know that New Jersey, unlike 8 other states, has no anti-discrimination provision protecting employees who are medical marijuana cardholders.
There was a recent federal district court case wherein the judge ruled in favor of the employer against the employee who brought a case under the New Jersey law against discrimination, found they didn't need to make the accommodation for the employee.
Senator Joe Vitale sponsored legislation that would make it unlawful to take any adverse employment action against an employee who's a registered medical marijuana patient based on either the employee's status as a registry identification card holder or the employee's positive drug test for marijuana components or metabolites. It's still in committee. Another sticking point for businesses, the federal government still classifies marijuana as a Schedule I illegal drug with no approved medicinal purpose. If it's changed to Schedule II,
then we can do the trials. We can actually test it. And instead of in the realm of politics, why not let the scientists go at it like they do with every other compound? Do the trials and let the evidence prevail.
Right now we have funding from the federal government, which it is not an approved substance, so it puts us in conflict. So right now we would have to talk to an attorney.
So companies still walk a legal tightrope between state and federal marijuana laws. A Colorado congressman's drafted legislation to make it a states' rights issue, but action on that is months away. In Somerville, I'm Brenda Flanagan, NJTV News.